Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know. Put it down in the comments. I want to know. Now, I have a mystery box, and I'm going to show you everything I got in the box and try it on, because this is the first time I've personally ever tried these products and this brand. Now, y'all probably already know Jeannie over at Unfiltered 50s. She's a good friend of mine. I love her dearly. And she's the one who told me about Oden's eye as everything shifts inside the box. I've seen her use their products before, rave about these products, and of course she gave me the heads up when they had a mystery box available. Now, this mystery box was, I believe, $55, and it came in this super pretty light pink box, and you can see right there the Oden's eye on the box. I did get this the other day. I have not tried anything. I did peek, but that was simply because I was so beyond excited. And again, Jeannie loves these products so much that I was anxious to give them a try. So that's what we're going to do. Now, I did unpackage a majority of the stuff in the box, and for $50, I got a ton of stuff. Not to mention the packaging is gorgeous. Now, the first thing I got is this little baby here, and that's what she looks like. Look at with the little fairy. It's like, reminds me of, well, obviously Oden, the Norse gods, Vikings. Love all that stuff. And you open this up, and it's an adorable little mirror, and it's got two sides to it, so it is perfect for travel. Next thing that came in my mystery box is, and might I just add really quickly, Jeannie also got a mystery box, so we don't know if we are both getting the same stuff or different stuff. So, you never know. But, oh, and can I just add, hello. Happy Mother's Day, y'all. It's coming up so quickly, and I've got a few special Mother's Day things coming, so stay tuned. Okay, so the next thing is this. It's Alva Flower Blushes from Oden's Eye. This packaging is stunning. So I'm assuming this is a blush. Yes, oh my gosh. And it's also got a little mirror. Oh, wow. Look at that color, y'all. And look at the detail in there. Oh my gosh. It's just beautiful. I can't take my eyes off of it. I got this, which I'm assuming is a lippy. It's also from the Alva. Alva? I'm probably annihilating that. But yeah, so this is what that packaging looks like. And then here up on top is the color. Such a pretty spring color. It looks like a kind of coral. Look at this packaging. Oh my gosh, just the packaging alone is stunning. That. And then here is the color. So, I don't know, honestly, I like the actual color of it a little bit better than that peachy color. So, I'm okay. Next, I'm going to take this out. Look at that big palette. I know, and there's still more. So this is the Alva 2. And again, Stunning packaging. Oh my gosh. Okay. So again, a good size mirror, and then look at those highlighters, y'all. And look at that little butterfly. Oh my gosh. And next, the mini ocean palette. That's what she looks like. Ooh, look, y'all. That's so different. Oh my gosh. So there's mattes, shimmers, and then there's like sparkles and okay. It's just, again, it's just so completely different than anything we're seeing right now out there on the market. So I am beyond impressed. Okay, and this is the Elva 2 Oden's Eye Mini Sky Palette. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. Okay, and last but not least is, okay, this is the Freya Diva Palette. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. And then look at those colors. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Okay, I can't wait to dive into this. So this is what I'm going to play with, is this larger Freya palette. These other two mini palettes. I'm going to do a giveaway for you guys. So what I will do is I'll give the mini palettes away. So 2 of you will win. Does that sound okay? Perfect. Okay. All of my standard giveaway rules on this apply. And like I said, I will do 2 winners. So in a week, I will draw the winners, 2 people, and I will use a YouTube random comment picker. If you want to enter to win one of those palettes, just include the word Oden, O-D-E-N, in your comment down below. And of course, the other general rules of my giveaways: 18 years or older, U.S. resident, because it's kind of all I can afford right now, shipping wise. Leave a comment, of course, or the YouTube random comment picker won't filter you in the drawing. In addition to that, I'd love it if you would give my video a thumbs up, and of course, be a subscriber on my channel and my Instagram. If you'd go zip over there and follow me on Instagram, because I post my videos over there too. Okay, let's just dive right in. See how these babies perform. Okay, so I'm just going to dive right in. I will most likely fast forward through a bunch of this so that I do not take all day. But, okay, there's a little bit of fallout, but it looks super pigmented. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try this. Wow, right? Okay, I will say start off slow because these are super pigmented. Whoa. Mama like. Okay, let's see how some of these shimmers perform. And they pick up really good. Let's see if she performs a little bit better wet, because I kind of want more of a pop. If it's pretty. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to go do the other eye. Okay, so I finished the other eye. I popped on like a greenish liner on my waterline. I couldn't think of the name. Mascara, stuff like that. So my initial thoughts on the palette, I do really like it. I think it's incredibly pigmented. I did find a little bit of fallout, which is normal and totally fine. I do feel like some of these colors are so similar that it's really hard to, you know, see a separation, I guess, between the different colors, except for the shimmers. You know, there's not enough variety of like lighter tones and darker tones, which kind of does work for me a little bit better just because I have hooded eyes. So putting the darker in my crease and stuff like that, you know what I mean. But I love this palette. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm going to pop this blush on and see how that works. Hopefully it's not like boom. Okay. Well, she's definitely pigmented. Mama like. Okay, now the highlighter, y'all. Can you see it? Oh, I can. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm like a fairy. So I used this one right here, which, you know, kind of comes off like a goldish. And then I used this like more sparkly one. Look at that. Okay, so I'm obsessed. I mean, I am over the moon with the way everything is performing. The formulas, the pigments, everything. I am just so impressed. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I am so happy that once again, my genie hooked me up with another brand that I am going to be obsessed with. I do highly recommend it. I absolutely love this stuff. And if you want to get your hands on one of those other mini palettes, definitely leave me a comment below. Include the word Oden in it. And a week from today, I will do the drawing and 2 of you will get one of those palettes. So yes, thank you for coming to hang out with me during another one of my videos. I do appreciate you so much. And of course, before you go, if you would smash that subscribe button and notification bell. It does help my channel out so much, and it will give me the ability to continue bringing you stuff like this. Love you guys bunches. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Take care, and I will talk to y'all soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.